everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need connect with me through LinkedIn, please connect with me. I have I have I have provided you this link in a description box and all job link also in a description box. And if you need to join Telegram group. This link I will also give you. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job from Pulam Technology. Pulam Technology is hiring for data analyst and this is all about Pulam technology. You have see here and here need like data analytics, networking knowledge, sorry, and a skill need like data analytics, ETL, Power BI, Tableau, and how to apply for this job role. You sorry, you have filled all the all this detail, okay. Like you have filled first name, last name, email, and after that you have submit your application form. Our next job is is also data analyst for fresher, and company name is Destrox IT Consulting Solution. This is hiring for remote location, and this is a job description like like cleaning and preparing data, analyzing, exploring data, analyzing and visualization of data, and this is contact detail. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Forbes Advisor. Forbes Advisor is hiring for data research junior full stack researcher, and and location is Chennai, uh, Tamil Nadu, India. And this is your job description, and this is your responsibility. You sorry, and 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 this is your skill need like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django, Python, SQL, and how to apply this job. You simply click I am interested and you fill all the required detail. Our next job is from Insight Campus PI Insight. The PI Insight is hiring for data scientist for 0 to 2 year of experience, and a skill need like AI ML tools or relevant libraries in Python. And how to apply the job, you simply click apply now and you fill all the detail. Our next job is also for data analytics, planning and analysis insurance. This is for Mumbai location, and company name is serving a skill. And this is your job description, and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply here and you fill the detail, and before that you have a skill need like data science, data analytics, and tools need like you have need data modeling using ML algorithm and all. And our next job is for business analyst, data analyst, fresher and experience both. And location is Pune, Maharashtra, and company name is Sapna Supnil Uthia, and experience need 0 to 2 year of experience, and salary is 4.5 to 7 LPA per annum. And this is your job description. You can see here and you apply. And technology need you have like need business analytics, database management, data analysis, Python, VBA, MySQL, advanced Excel. And how to apply this job, you will simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for artificial intelligence AI engineer. This is hiring for Roger HR management, and experience need 0 to 4 year of experience. Salary is not disclosed here, and location is Pune, Bengaluru and Mumbai area. This is your job description, and a skill need artificial intelligence and all. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for internship program. This is hiring for machine learning and data science interns. Okay, and this is you have a 2 month online internship program. Is offered by leading scientists of this company, and you have a skill need like linear, multiple, non-linear regression, correlation, gradient, and this is all about math, statistics, and and this is your roles: data science, machine learning, and other. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill all the detail. Before that, you have a skill need like Python, image processing algorithm, machine learning, NumPy, deep learning, and Pandas. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for data analytics for fresher and business analytics also for fresher. Experience need 0 to 4 year of experience you must have need, and and location is Pune, Chennai, Surat. Okay. Salary here 4.5 to 6 LPA per annum, and this is your job description like good logical skill, fresher business analytics, data analytics, good analytical skill also. Role is data analytics, data scientist, and this is full time employment. And who can apply on this job role? Graduate, and a skill required Python data analytics and MIS analytical skill. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone, and I will provide all the link in the description box. Uh, Thank you.